Dear student, today we will learn how we can save our presentation, how we can open an existing presentation, how we can create a new presentation, and how we can exit it. So first we are creating a one new presentation. For it, we'll open the PowerPoint. Today we are going to make a presentation on Mahatma Gandhi with the two slides. In first slide, we'll write the introduction. This is our blank slide. We can go to the insert tab. We can click on the text box and we can draw it on the screen. Here you write the text about the Mahatma Gandhi. The birth of Mahatma Gandhi, that October. And a death anniversary date. Now we want to change the color of it. So select the text, make it align center, change the size of the text by selecting the font size option. You can change the color of it. You can change the writing style. This all formatting you can apply on your slide. You can shift it down also. You can make it more and large. Now we are inserting a one more slide and that will insert the picture. So for inserting the new slide, we'll click on the new slide option and you will see a one new blank slide is appearing here. We want to insert one picture. So for this, we'll go to the insert tab, picture which we have inserted from the net. It is on the desktop. So I'm selecting the desktop option. You can place the picture at the left side. You can increase the size of it by using the headers. You can apply the border on it and you can write the text about the picture. For this, we'll go to the insert and text box. We can do the changes in the text as we can increase the size, change the color. Now we have created the two slides here. In our presentation, first slide having the information about the Mahatma Gandhi and second slide having a picture in it. Now as we want to save this, for it we'll click on the File tab, go to the Save As option. As you click on it, you will see the Save As dialog box is appearing. Here it is asking the name of your file and the location. As I want to save this presentation on the desktop, so I can choose from here the desktop, and I'm writing the name of my presentation, like I'm writing Bapu. I'm saving my file with the name Bapu. So you can write the name of your file in the file name box and you can click on the save button. As you click on the save button, you will see that at the title bar, the name of your file is coming Bapu, because we have saved this file by the name of Bapu. As we want to exit this window, so we can go to the File tab and we can choose the Exit option. It will close. Now we want to open the PowerPoint. So the same procedure which we have seen in the previous class also. All programs. Microsoft Office, and from here you can choose Microsoft Office PowerPoint. This PowerPoint window will appear on your screen. Now we want to open our saved file. So we go to the File tab. We'll click on the Open button. As you click on Open button, it will display a one open dialog box. In that dialog box, we know that we have stored our file in the desktop. So we'll go to the desktop option. Here we'll see our file which we have saved. Our file name was Bapu. So we will write here and click on Open button. As you will click on Open button, you will see that file which we have saved, it is opening now. So now after saving your file, you want to see your presentation on full screen. For this, we can use the slideshow option for it. And slideshow option you can see down also, or you can click on the slideshow tab and you can click on from beginning. As you click on it, you will see your picture which was in your presentation. It is showing on the entire screen. Both the slides which we have inserted in our presentation, that is showing on the screen. This is a slideshow view. This is used to see your presentation on entire screen, on full screen.